Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can upgrade Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Pro. So the first thing you need to do is you need to click on Start and then go to Settings. Then in Settings, if you click on System and then scroll down and find the Activation section. Then in Activation, if you click on Upgrade your edition of Windows, and then you want to click the Change button to change the product key. So you now need to enter your Windows 11 Pro product key. The use of something such as an RTM generic key or a KMS client product key would be a breach of terms and conditions and cannot be shown or used. Now, if you do have trouble getting your product key to work, you can also disconnect your machine from the internet and give it another go. Sometimes that helps get the key to work. So I'm just going to disconnect my machine from the internet. And now I'll just enter my Windows 11 Pro product key. And now I've entered my product key, I'm now going to click Next. And now as you can see, it says it's going to upgrade my edition of Windows, so I'm now going to click Start on that. And now it's finished applying the changes. If I now just have a look at my Windows version, as you can see, I'm now running Windows 11 Pro. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you like the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike, hit the dislike button, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.